name is Randy Hoyt, and I'm the inventor of the Bladz-Lok mower blade removal tool specifically designed for riding lawnmowers. The two major advantages of this tool are: one, you leave the deck attached to the mower, which saves about an hour to 2 hours of time right there. And two, you only have to raise the mower 4 inches off the ground or more in order to use the tool. Now, this specific tool is made in the USA. That's designed for the 99% of the blades in the US that are the typical flat blade, which slides right in the slot, or mulching blades, gator blades, or in this case, a high lift blade. The high lift blade slides right in. Now, this tool installs in 3 easy steps in less than 60 seconds. Now, as I grew up, I was taught, watching my dad, to use wood blocks. He would raise the mower with a jack and use wood blocks, a 4x4 or a 2x4, to wedge the blade. The problem was, every time he took pressure off the blade, the block would just fall to the ground. So with this tool, you can get rid of the 4x4. You can get rid of the 2x4. You don't have to use any of that anymore. So I'm going to show you on this mower here. One, wear gloves, because dull blades can even have jagged edges, rock chips, or even still be sharp, so wear gloves. Is set the parking brake. You want to make sure the mower does not roll, so make sure that the parking brake is set, or you can put wood blocks between the tires. And the third S of safety is remove the key, so that nobody can accidentally start the mower while you're working on it. So again, the 3 keys of safety: wear gloves, set the parking brake, and remove the key so it can't be accidentally started. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the Bladz-Lok tool. And on this mower, the belt tensioner doesn't work correctly. That's the only time I've ever taken it off. So first, I put the solid end over blade 1. Then I rotate blade 1 and 2 together. And then I turn it 90 degrees down, 90 degrees down to where I've got both blades locked. And so then I take my extension and I loosen blade 1. And on a 3-blade mower, you want to loosen the center blade, but leave it on. Have a point. You'll have a leverage point. So I've got blade 2 loose. The Bladz-Lok tool. Put it off to the side. And remove blade number 1. Get it out of the way. And as you can see, I leave the center blade on and loose so that I can move to the other side. Because I've raised the mower up 15 inches with a jack, just to show you how the tool can be used. You place the Bladz-Lok tool onto the center mower blade, and in this case, I'm just going to rotate it back in backwards, so I can line it up, center it up, and then loosen this loosen it. So now I can move the Bladz-Lok tool and remove the blades. And again, I can do this at 4 inches off the ground. I'm just raised it up to show you, give you a better look. That's how you remove the blades on a 3-blade mower. Just tighten everything. Okay, so to reinstall, I'll put the Bladz-Lok tool back on, and I'll show you this time how to do it from the front. Place the tool back on, rotate the blade into position, centered up with a ratchet, but with this, with an extension, I can get it a good 75 foot-pounds just by, so that's tight. So now I remove the tool. Move it backwards. Like I said, the tool goes on either way. And I'll move around to the other side. Okay. So now I place the Bladz-Lok tool back on. Install it in first. Rotate the center blade back in position. Up with the ratchet to make sure I'm fairly tight. And this is probably about tight enough for this blade because blades rotate in the direction of the threads. So if you get them tight, they rotate so that they won't spin the nut out or bolt. So that's tight enough. And I'm older, so I can't. Okay. So both blades are tight. So now the key is rotate the tool. Rotated. All 3 blades are tight. And we're done. Okay. You've seen the process of removing the blades, and you can sharpen, replace, clean out the mower deck, and then replace the blades with this new Bladz-Lok tool. Remember that it's made in America. You leave the deck attached to the mower, which saves a lot of time with all the belts and hangers and everything. And this deck weighs about 75 pounds. So again, remember that this tool is made in America on a special laser cutting process, used in exact length and slot dimension for the safest and easiest to use tool for removing mower blades. And there is a 1/2 inch hole on the back of the tool, and that is so that you can easily just hang the tool in your garage on a nail. So if you'd like more information on the Bladz-Lok tool, go to www.bladz-lok.com, or just in your browser you can enter in Bladz-Lok and it'll take you right to the website, BLADZ-LOK.